Hello beauties and welcome back. This is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks here with a video for you. Okay, I have filmed this video before. I filmed it live on Facebook. Come up, why the thing is sideways? Why, I do not know. So this is take 2 of this video and I decided I would just video it and then I would share it. Maybe I could keep it from going sideways this way. But I hope you guys are having a great new year. It is 2018. Yay! So I'm trying to stay enthusiastic with this as possible, but today is a unbagging of a handbag I got for my birthday. I had a chance to go to Henri Bendel for my birthday, and I must say I had it was a great experience. When I got there, I asked for the Henri Bendel experience. So I ended up going to Henri Bendel for my birthday. My husband wanted to get me a bag. And I had been in Henri Bendel a few times to look. I first heard about Henri Bendel from another YouTuber. Her name, the first YouTuber I heard it from was, what is her? Oh, Busby Style. That's what she goes by on YouTube. And she's always talking about the jet setter. And I went online, I looked and stuff. I was like, yeah, I didn't see too much at that time. And it's been a couple of years when I saw this. And so I didn't see too much online. I was like, well, okay. So I went in store a couple of times after that. And just recently, I saw another YouTuber who grabbed my interest. And I have recently started following. Her name is Bipolar Max. And that's what she goes by on YouTube. And I watched her video and stuff, and she does a lot of accessories and things from Henri Bendel. I don't remember if I saw a purse from Henri Bendel, but she was just talking about, you know, Henri Bendel, and she's done meetups at Henri Bendel. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give them another chance. I'm gonna go in there and see what I come out with, you know, and see what happens. So I ended up going and everything, and I must say, I have to tell you, I went to the one, I'm in Atlanta, so I ended up going to the one that's at Lenox. And I got a chance to meet 2 young ladies, which are Daisy and Danielle. And I'm gonna tell you, if you're gonna go to Henri Bendel, please go when these young ladies are there. They were so pleasurable. They, hands down, it was just a great experience going in there with them. I went in an hour before the store got ready to close, and they did not rush me. They helped me. They let me look around, and believe it or not, feeling not close the store down, honey. So we got a chance to, you know, just really get an experience. They gave us information on Henri Bendel, so they was very knowledgeable about Henri Bendel. It was just, like I said, it was a great experience overall. And I'm just saying, if you go, make sure you go to see Danielle and Daisy at Henri Bendel in Lenox Mall. So, giving them their shout out because they did a wonderful job. And like I said, they didn't rush me or anything. So, with no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to unbag my Henri Bendel handbag. So this is the handbag. This is what I have. Okay, whew, the bag is big. Okay, it's the Henri Bendel, New York. And let's just begin. Woo! So it comes in a dust bag that says Henri Bendel, New York. And I'm gonna tell you, it's a brown and white striped bag with gold letters. Okay? So this is it. This is a nice canvasy cotton type dust bag. And it has 2 drawstrings. It has a pull drawstring on it. So, very nice. So, with no further ado, let me show you what I got. I was looking for an everyday handbag in black. I wanted a nice classic style handbag. So it's a black handbag with silver hardware on it. That's the front. That's the clasp right there. You turn it around. There is a pocket right here. This says Henri Bendel of New York right here. And it even says Henri Bendel of New York right here too. So this is it. And I'm gonna, then how you open it. Oh, and on the outside it has a tag, like a little luggage tag. This says Henri Bendel, New York. And then this one is just HB. So I gotta figure out exactly what you use this for. I think it's just for decoration, but I'll find out. So that's that. Okay, so you pull this together like this. I thought it was gonna be hard to get in and out of, but it's not. Okay, and then you lift it. And then this is the inside. Let me take this stuffing out so we can see. Okay, so this is the inside. It comes with a strap. This is the strap. So you get to wear it crossbody or shoulder. It has a zip right here. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It has a zip right here. Oh. And this says Henri Bendel, New York, brand story. Okay. That's that. I'm gonna put that back so I can read up on it. The inside is a brown and like a chocolate, and I think, and it says Henri Bendel throughout it. So this is the main compartment. Then it has a front pocket here that has the same fabric. Some I'll probably end up, you know, sticking my cell phone in right there. But you have two like little compartments right here. It's two, I'm sorry. Where you put your sunglasses or something else right there. And I'm getting washed out by the lights, I'm sorry guys. Right there. And then it has this little perforated leather part right here, which is, I don't know what's the reason for it, but it looks nice, different texture. And then it says Henri Bendel, New York right here with a cute little bow. Okay. And like I told you, the back has a pocket. Then you can take the straps, and it has this little snap to keep the straps together. Okay? To keep your handles together. So that's how it looks. Side profile. Back. Side again. Now, to be able to reach in and out of this probably quicker, you can always leave it kind of like that. And then you just have access to get in and out a lot quicker if you leave it like that. So you can do that. And like I said, I have to have multifunctional purses these days. I want to know I can be hands-free at a moment's notice. This purse has not let me down with none of the things that you can do with it. Now, we see the style, the shape of it like this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bend you down just a little bit so you can see me transform it. I can even go a little smaller. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to straighten you up. I can even take this purse, and there is a strap on the inside, this end, and then a D-ring here. So then you will pull it in. I'll try to show it to you as much as possible. Okay, you'll pull it in. Okay, you see that straps there? And what happens is, it makes the purse a different size. Now the leather is a little stiff right now, which is okay. And don't forget now, you can put the strap on it either when it's bigger or this size, which is made it a little smaller. Again. So I have changed the size so I can go from having it larger to having it smaller. And it is, so, I mean, being able to have multifunctional is great. Just having it multifunctional. So, I mean, I'm telling you, I am loving this thought about this bag. Now, up under, you do have feet. Up under here, and I think these feet have HP. Oh, no, they don't. But that's the feet up under it. And then it's the same purse, just brought down to a smaller size, guys. I am so ecstatic with that. And I'm gonna tell you, for the most part, I love carrying it. I love just carrying it as a top handle, but just knowing I can change it whenever I want to. And again, see the inside? That's how we reduced it. Just like that. So, yep. Now the leather is like a texture, kind of pebble-like leather, if you can see. I'm gonna turn it backwards so you don't get the glare from the that. So it's like a texture pebble leather, which I think would be very sturdy, hard, you know, good. I can get good wear out of it. It won't, you know, scratch up and mark up so easy for me. But that is not a problem of mine at all. That's nothing that I even hold to worry, is that. So this is my birthday gift. And then you just snap it like that, snap it back closed. This will be the only problem I would have, this right here. Because that worries me right there. That's the only problem I have. Other than that, I am just smitten. So I can carry it large, I can carry it smaller, I can carry it top handle on both ways, and I can carry it crossbody. So that's a couple of ways. You're talking about multifunctional. That is way multifunctional. And on top of that, I ended up buying a little purse charm, but I guess I wasn't paying attention. I was so excited. I wasn't paying attention. It comes in a brown and white bag, and it has gold lettering, Henri Bendel, New York. And guess what? It has gold hardware. My purse has silver. So I'm gonna take it back and get a different one. So just so you can see it. It is gorgeous. That little tag says Henri Bendel too, and it's Henri Bendel of New York. So it's a little purse and a purse, and put it on as a little purse charm. Ah, that'll be too cute. So I'll end up taking it back and, you know, getting it, replacing it with something with a silver hardware to it. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. Now, the handbag is called a, oh God, guys, I had the name of it down. Something Satchel. Oh my gosh. What is the name of this handbag? I'm sorry, I'm gonna lift you back up. I'm looking down too long. I'm trying to remember the name of it. Something Satchel. Oh well, whatever it is, says Convertible something Satchel. I have it written down in the description box on what it was. At the time when I went, there was a great sale going on. They had 40% off original price. Then they had 30%, I think, off their clearance prices. And I'm telling you, everything in there, it was so gorgeous. I will definitely be back in there to shop more. I mean, their accessories, the jewelry was beautiful. Oh, the candles smelled gorgeous. So, I mean, I'm just saying, I'll be back shopping. But this is my birthday gift from my hubby. And I like to thank him. Now, the original, I remember the price was, oh God, I want to say, I went back to look it up because I wanted to make sure I told you. Like, I looked up the name and look, I can't even remember the name. I think it was, the price was like $550. And like I said, they had, it was 30% off $250 and more, and 40% off the clearance. I had that all backwards. Okay, now I got it right. So it was 30% off the original price, which I think the original price, if I'm not mistaken, was like $550. And this is called something Satchel. It's something Satchel Convertible. It's a convertible something Satchel. But like I said, I'll make sure I put the name of it down below. But I would like to thank you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll be back to give you, I guess, what it was like to carry it. You know, how is it performing? Is it standing up to what I think it would? And just give you my views on it later. So until then, I would like to thank you all so much for joining me. Sorry about what happened to the first video over on Facebook. I had to take it down. So I just like to thank you all for watching. Thank you all so much for supporting me. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And do share us with your friends. Until next time, bye-bye.